how did you? Was that something that was told? Like, how did you come to know that you didn't want to deal with buying property in New York? Like, is that something that's that's known?
No, I'm a finance guy, so it boiled back down to the numbers numerically. For the purchase prices for the homes in New York and the rental I was receiving there, I could buy the home for a quarter of the price and receive similar rent. My cash flow is more down there. The rent roll is bigger. New York City, buying property today is, if you're buying single family, it's a automatic liability. And if you buy even a multifamily today in the boroughs, I don't know if you're even making money today because how high the property costs are.
Of just owning and maintaining the home.
Both.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn.
Well, it's all about position.
It's hard out here for a pimp. Oh man, that's crazy.
Woo.
So what? Like, so I gotta ask yourself, like, what's the point, man? You know, I mean, just in New York City.
It's New York City. You have other opportunities in other places. I went for Maryland because of the price point. Once again, the rent. I actually practice a method called the Burr method.